Your doors are one of the most critical components of your home's security. In Clearwater, where warm weather and coastal living often mean open windows and relaxed outdoor lifestyles, ensuring your home is safe from unwanted intrusions is essential. Upgrading your doors with professional installation can significantly enhance your home's security while offering additional benefits like improved energy efficiency and curb appeal. Here's how door installation can elevate your home's safety and provide peace of mind for you and your family. Reinforced frames for added strength. The door's frame is just as important as the door itself when it comes to home security. Weak or outdated frames can make it easier for intruders to force entry, compromising your safety. How new door frames improve security. Solid materials. Reinforced steel or composite frames provide superior strength and resistance to break-ins. Snug fit. Professional installation ensures the door fits perfectly within the frame, eliminating gaps that could be exploited. Anchoring techniques. Installers use advanced methods to secure the frame tightly to the structure, enhancing its durability. A professionally installed door with a reinforced frame makes it significantly harder for intruders to breach. Advanced locking systems. Modern doors often come with upgraded locking mechanisms that provide better protection compared to older designs. However, these features are only effective if installed correctly. Locking system features to look for. Multi-point locks. These locks secure the door at multiple points along the frame, making it more resistant to prying or kicking. Smart locks. Technology-enhanced locks allow for keyless entry and remote monitoring, adding a layer of convenience and security. Deadbolts. High-quality deadbolts offer additional protection against forced entry. A professionally installed door ensures these locking systems are properly aligned and fully operational, maximizing their effectiveness. Impact-resistant doors for Clearwater's climate. Clearwater's coastal location makes it vulnerable to tropical storms and hurricanes, which can test the strength of your doors. Impact-resistant doors are specifically designed to withstand extreme weather while also providing enhanced security against break-ins. Features of impact-resistant doors. Laminated glass. If your door includes glass panels, laminated glass resists shattering and remains intact even under pressure. Heavy-duty construction. Fiberglass, steel, and composite doors are durable enough to withstand both environmental forces and physical attacks. Sealed frames. Professional installation ensures the door and frame are tightly sealed, preventing water damage that could weaken the structure. An impact-resistant door not only protects against weather but also deters potential intruders by being harder to breach. Prevents common weak points. Outdated or poorly installed doors often have weak points that intruders can exploit. Replacing these doors with modern options eliminates vulnerabilities and strengthens your home's defenses. Common weak points addressed by new doors. Loose hinges. Modern doors feature secure, tamper-resistant hinges that are difficult to manipulate. Gaps and drafts. Professional installation eliminates gaps where tools could be inserted to pry the door open. Weak panels. New doors are built with solid cores or reinforced materials that resist physical attacks. Upgrading your doors closes these gaps, ensuring every entry point to your home is secure. Enhanced visibility with secure glass panels. Many homeowners in Clearwater prefer doors with glass elements to let in natural light and showcase the coastal scenery. However, poorly designed or installed glass panels can pose a security risk. How new doors improve glass security. Impact-resistant glass. Designed to withstand both storms and forced entry, impact-resistant glass remains intact even when broken. Frosted or tinted options. These provide privacy while maintaining visibility and light entry. Professional sealing. Proper installation ensures the glass is securely fitted to the frame, eliminating weak points. With secure glass panels, you can enjoy the beauty of Clearwater while maintaining your home's safety. Boosts peace of mind. A new, professionally installed door provides more than physical security. It also enhances your sense of safety. Knowing that your home is protected by high-quality materials and expert craftsmanship lets you focus on enjoying your Clearwater lifestyle. Peace of mind benefits. Reliable functionality, smooth operation and secure locks reduce the chance of malfunctions. Weatherproofing. A well-sealed door keeps out not only intruders but also water and drafts, protecting your home's interior. Custom security solutions. Professionals can tailor your door to meet specific security needs, such as additional reinforcements or smart lock integration. With a professionally installed door, you'll feel confident that your home is safe and secure. Increases home value and appeal. A secure home is a valuable home. Upgrading your doors enhances not only your safety but also your property's market appeal. Value-boosting features. Modern designs, sleek, stylish doors combine security with aesthetic appeal. Hurricane-rated options. Buyers in Clearwater value homes that are well prepared for tropical storms. Energy efficiency. Security-focused doors often include insulation and weatherproofing, which add to their overall value. By investing in door installation, you're not just improving security, you're also increasing your home's worth. Conclusion. Replacing your doors with professionally installed, modern options is one of the most effective ways to enhance your Clearwater home's security. From reinforced frames and advanced locks to impact-resistant materials and secure glass panels, new doors offer a robust defense against both intrusions and weather-related threats. If you're ready to upgrade your home's security, contact a trusted door installation professional in Clearwater. With their expertise, you can select a door that combines style, durability, and safety, giving you peace of mind and a more secure home.